Morning! For any of you who have been following the wee videos that we're posting, you'll have noticed that one of the things that I struggle with the most in this van life is the lack of being able to wash my hair. Yes, we have a shower, but we're not using it because we're managing the water and electric and things, so we're looking into alternatives. One of the things that we've tried, well, I've tried, Paul doesn't have much hair, so one of the things that I tried was the dry shampoo, that Batiste stuff, and not for me, maybe for other people, but not for me. It felt like putting cornstarch in my hair. You know, you have to put your head upside down, put it all through your hair. You then look in the mirror and you're like a toilet brush. You know, your hair's sticking out. It was a riot for me. Other people could maybe do better. So another thing that I spent quite a lot of time looking into was this. I think it's for elderly people who maybe have issues getting into a shower or standing in a shower or can't do their own hair. For whatever reason, it seems to be like an elderly aid. But I'm going to give it a go. It arrived in this little bit of packaging. It says no water, shampoo and conditioning cap. I've taken it out. It reminds me of a wet nappy. That's what it feels like, but it smells lovely. It's a cap, elasticated. It's preloaded with wetness, and the idea is that you pop it on your hair, you massage it in, and you take it off, dry your hair, and your hair should be clean. No need for rinsing or anything like that. One of the things that is an option, but not for me, is you can pop it into the microwave so you can heat it up so you get a bit of a warmer experience. But I'm just going to go in as is and let you know how I get on with it. So I'm away to put it on. BRB, see you later. So here's me. I look a wee bit like a Tunnock's factory biscuit baker, but the cap is on. It was quite easy to pop on. It's just like a normal shower cap. It doesn't feel particularly nice because it's wet and cold. So if you have got access to a microwave, that might be an idea. And I think what I have to do is now just wash my hair with it. So I'll do that for the next wee while and return for the unveiling. Okay, so I've spent about 3 minutes vigorously rubbing. Oh, those were the days. And I'm going to take it off now. Still smells nice. You have to towel dry your hair at this point. It actually does feel like I've just stepped out the shower. That's so weird. It smells nice. And it feels like it's conditioned as well. It's not too tuggy. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells like it's been shampooed. So I don't have a hairdryer, shock horror. I'm going to leave it to just dry, and then I'll do a wee follow-up piece letting you know if it dried nicely or if it looks greasy when it's dried. Yeah, and then that'll be the end of this wee review. So here is my honest verdict of Drench. We've been out for a walk and a coffee, so my hair has dried, and I'm not sure if it's because I have very fine, thin, limp hair, but It feels that way when you've put conditioner on your hair and then you've not quite got it all off, and you only notice when it's dried, and you kind of think, oh, I should have stayed in the shower a wee bit longer and rinsed it. Having said that, it's 99% cleaner feeling. It smells nice. It is just those bits at the root seem to have kind of held a bit of the conditioner, and I think probably when I wake up tomorrow my hair will look matted. But for today, looking on the positive, my hair feels clean, it smells clean, and I don't think people will notice this thing that I'm feeling as much as I'm noticing it. Paul also, I'll pop up a wee photo, can I see green cheese? He used the cap after me, and shorter, thicker hair. That's what happens when it's all grey, you know, it's a bit wiry. He's very happy with the results. So I'd give it a 9 out of 10. And I would say that if you're in a bind at a festival, or you're camping, or you have a mobility issue, I would say that this is an ideal stopgap to use in between maybe having showers every 3-4 days. This would just tick that box.